Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you and tell you how to download and install Fortnite in your Mac OS. So this will be a step-by-step guide, so make sure you stick till the end so you will have a better understanding about how to do this and how it's gonna be done. So yes, let's get started. First, you want to open any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Just open this and type Epic Games download. Once you do this, just click on download Epic Game Launcher and here you will find install. This is saying install on Windows because I am on Windows, but this website self detects your device, so when you're on Mac it will say install on Mac. As you can see, here is written it also available on Mac OS, Android, iPhone and iPad. If you have Mac, just go onto this website and it won't say install on Windows, it will say install on Mac. So just you have to click on install on Mac. Once you do this, it will download the setup file for Epic Games. Once the setup file completes downloading, you have to run the file and install Epic Games in your device. Once that's done, just open Epic Games and let me show you. Once it's done, just open Epic Games and it will show you like this. Just search for Fortnite here and then you can click on install from here. So yes, this is how you can install Fortnite on your Mac OS. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.